Welcome to Home Inspiration. Today, we're exploring a collection of luxurious minimalist house designs that blend modern aesthetics with ultimate comfort. From stunning facades to sophisticated interiors, every detail is crafted to create an exclusive living experience. Let's dive in. Modern, minimalist, and luxurious, a design that exudes elegance with clean geometric lines. The combination of smooth white concrete, warm wooden panels, and dark gray stone creates a perfect harmony. A large, slightly elevated glass window allows natural light to flow in while maintaining privacy. The front yard, with its manicured lawn and sleek stone pathway, enhances the contemporary appeal. Complementing the refined exterior, the interior embraces an open concept layout with a plush L-shaped sofa facing a stylish media wall. Built-in wooden shelves with integrated LED lighting add a sophisticated touch. The modern kitchen features a large island that doubles as a dining area, seamlessly blending functionality and style. A design that emphasizes simplicity with a futuristic edge. The cantilevered upper floor creates a striking architectural statement, while the mix of exposed concrete, natural oak wood, and black metal accents enhances its modern charm. A strategically placed high glass window optimizes privacy while maximizing daylight. A reflecting water feature in the front yard adds an extra touch of luxury. Inside, warmth meets modernity. A solid wood dining table serves as the focal point, beautifully paired with matte black cabinetry and a sleek marble backsplash. The seamless flow between the dining area and living space ensures a spacious and inviting atmosphere. Elegant and bold, this design features a distinctive sloped roof that adds a dynamic touch. The combination of smooth white stucco, textured stone cladding, and rich walnut wood panels enhances its unique appeal. A statement pivot-style wooden door welcomes guests, while a Zen-inspired front garden with sculpted greenery and stone pathways creates a serene atmosphere. Reflecting the striking exterior, the interior balances functionality and aesthetics. A round wooden dining table fosters a sense of togetherness, replacing the need for a kitchen island to create an airy feel. A sculptural pendant light above adds a refined touch, while a slatted wood partition subtly connects the dining area to the living room. A futuristic design with a bold cubic form and a seamless blend of materials. Smooth white concrete, warm teak wood, and black metal trim define its sophisticated exterior. A large, horizontal window positioned above eye level ensures privacy without compromising natural light. The entrance, framed by vertical wooden slats extending to the ceiling, makes a grand architectural statement. The interior embraces a sleek open concept layout, where a matte black kitchen island with a wooden countertop serves as both a workspace and dining area. The living space, designed with a minimalist sectional sofa and geometric shelving, maintains a cohesive and spacious ambiance. A seamless blend of luxury and bold architectural expression. The cantilevered balcony adds depth and dimension, while high-positioned floor-to-ceiling glass panels invite natural light while maintaining privacy. A carefully curated front yard, with symmetrical hedges and a stone pathway, enhances its grandeur. Inside, the design is both artistic and functional. A floating staircase with built-in bookshelves underneath serves as a striking focal point. A cozy lounge area near the staircase creates a perfect reading nook, while a long wooden dining table with upholstered chairs adds a touch of sophistication. A modern design that emphasizes strong horizontal elements, exuding a sleek and refined appearance. The facade features a blend of smooth concrete, light beige travertine stone, and dark metal details. A floating canopy highlights the grand entrance, while a minimalist water feature in the front garden enhances the home's exclusive charm. Simplicity meets elegance inside. A spacious modular sofa in soft beige tones, a floating wooden media console, and a statement coffee table with a travertine top create a cozy yet luxurious living space. Built-in LED strip lighting subtly highlights the geometric ceiling design, adding a sophisticated touch. Minimalist yet striking, the vertical wooden slats at the entrance create a distinctive focal point. The seamless blend of white textured concrete, black steel, and warm wood enhances the modern aesthetic. A carefully landscaped front yard, featuring an olive tree as a centerpiece, reinforces the home's tranquil and exclusive atmosphere. Inside, the use of high-quality materials elevates the interior. A warm wooden kitchen island doubles as a dining space, accompanied by 4 elegant bar stools. White marble countertops, matte black cabinetry, and vertical wooden paneling create a sophisticated yet inviting ambiance. A bold and visionary design that plays with the illusion of floating structures. Cantilevered volumes and sleek reflective surfaces define its futuristic aesthetic. The entrance features an oversized pivot door, accessible via a floating staircase that enhances the home's modern character. A sleek water feature in the front yard adds an extra layer of sophistication. The futuristic theme continues inside, where a floating glass dining table takes center stage, surrounded by sculptural high-end chairs. A suspended linear LED fixture complements the high-gloss flooring and matte concrete walls. Hidden handle storage units seamlessly integrate into the background, maintaining a sleek and avant-garde look. A design that transforms with the light of the day. Vertical wooden louvers cast dynamic shadows, creating a living facade that changes throughout the day. The combination of smooth white stucco, rich walnut wood, and dark basalt stone adds depth and texture. A front yard with floating concrete steps over a shallow water feature further enhances the architectural elegance. Inside, the theme of light and shadow continues. A deep-toned velvet sofa and a round black marble coffee table create an elegant living space. Vertical wooden slats on the accent wall interact with natural light, casting ever-changing patterns that mirror the home's exterior design. A perfect blend of balance and sophistication. The symmetrical facade, accentuated by grand wooden pillars at the entrance, exudes exclusivity. A reflecting pool and perfectly aligned sculpted hedges enhance the architectural symmetry, creating a visually stunning first impression. The grandeur continues inside with an open concept layout centered around a floating wooden staircase illuminated by integrated LED lighting. Beneath the staircase, a refined lounge area with a curved designer sofa and a sculptural coffee table balances form and function. The dining area, featuring a long wooden table and upholstered chairs, complements the home's luxurious aesthetic. Each of these designs showcases a unique approach to modern luxury, blending aesthetics with practicality. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more inspiring home designs. See you in the next video.